Accenture Recruitment 2023. Accenture is looking for an HR Partner Associate post for its various positions. To be eligible and apply for it, graduation is a must. The recruitment will be via shortlisting, assessment test, online or face-to-face interview. You need to apply for these posts through online mode before the last date. The detailed process, eligibility criteria and requirements are given below. Job placement location for Accenture. For this job, the candidates can work from home. Total number of positions for the posts. There are multiple positions for the posts. Numbers, seats may vary. Available seats and name of vacancies. The required positions and number of seats are given below for your reference. 1. HR Partner Associate. Salary, income, pay scale. For the HR Partner Associate post, the candidates will get up to 386,000 rupees PA approximately. You can find more information about the job in the detailed notice which is mentioned last. Qualification, educational details. Please read carefully the qualification details required for this post in the given columns below. HR Partner Associate, any candidate having a bachelor's degree in any stream. Age limit. For HR Partner Associate recruitment, candidates should be having minimum age of 18 years. There is no limit to upper age. You can refer to the detailed notification to get more information about your age. Selection process criteria. The candidates will be shortlisted based on age, location and qualification, followed by a personal interview. The personal interview will be face-to-face or telephonic. Roles and responsibilities. The obligations and job roles are mentioned below. Operate as a dependable source of communication for staff. To develop acceptable expectations and aid in bridging cultural divides, offer employee coaching and support on a regular basis as part of their work experience. Assist employees in identifying the ideal internal jobs based on their interests and aspirations throughout the full process of matching them to projects. High-touch, one-on-one career conversations with staff. Aim to offer a career experience that is incredibly inclusive and genuinely human. Assist employees in navigating the company and offer guidance on more general performance and career objectives. Find the best talent for development programs by working with company executives. Determine the business requirements for unique initiatives driven by the characteristics and demands of the group. Required knowledge and skills. High level of human contact, client focus, and end-to-end ownership. Effective coaching and advice skills, as well as communication with the employee. Work collaboratively and proactive with affiliated teams. A genuine interest in organizational well-being as well as a passion for the HR field. Share regionally for account business leads, regional HR, etc., results and best practices. Method of selection. The candidate will be chosen for Accenture recruitment based on shortlisting, an online assessment test, and a telephone or field interview. The evaluation test will be scheduled in 2 parts. Cognitive assessment. You will have 50 minutes to complete the cognitive assessment. This evaluation will cover English proficiency, problem solving and critical thinking skills, and abstract reasoning. Communication assessment. You will have 30 minutes to complete the communication assessment. This evaluation will include questions on sentence structure, vocabulary, fluency, and pronunciation. Telegram channel for daily MNC, private job updates. To stay updated with all the new MNC, private, government job, work from home job openings, remember to join our Telegram channel. You can subscribe to our Telegram channel from the link given below. Experience required. For this post, no prior experience is needed. Application procedure. To apply for this recruitment, applicants can use the official web portal or apply for the link given below. Candidates need to wait at least 1 month to get a response from the recruiters. Once you are shortlisted, the recruiters will notify you via your registered email ID or contact number provided during registration. Last date of online form submission. Applicants are recommended to apply on or before the 18th of August 2023, approximate date. Forms will not be submitted after the last date. Important information. Beware of fraudsters, scammers as there is no charge, fee for private, MNC job openings. If someone asks you for money or demands money for your company selection, consider this a scam.
We'll be right back.